Where is the purple trapezoid? Not quite. Nice, that's a purple trapezoid. Help the frog cross the pond by tapping on the correct lily pad. Purple trapezoid. Red triangle. Brown oval. Well done! You've earned a new sticker. Tap all of the stars. Correct! Pick up the cookies and put them on the plates that match their shape. Pentagon. Nice! Crescent. Awesome! Rectangle. 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 Nice! Be sure to put everything on their matching plates. Rectangle. Right. Rectangle. Nice. Crescent. Correct. Tap all of the circles. Circle. 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 Yes, way to go! Fetch the bone with yellow stars. Brown circles. Pink semicircles. Green trapezoids. Nice! Drag the shapes to their matching pair. For example, circle. Square. Correct. Heart. Right. Star. Right. Where is the gray oval? Yes, that's a gray oval. Green octagon. Gray trapezoid. Red trapezoid. Awesome! Tap all of the semicircles. You're right! Pick up the pizza slices and put them on the plates that match their shape. Star. Nice! Semicircle. Nice! Semicircle. Awesome! Star. Nice! Trapezoid. Correct! Trapezoid. Nice! You unlocked a new background. The rectangles. Not quite. Not quite. Rectangle. 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 Correct. Fetch the bone with green trapezoids. Brown triangles. Yellow ovals. Purple triangles.